take a can. Cook good and look good. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Queen Jones, back live in the flesh. And yes, I'm nervous to make this video. Tell me why. After 5 years of doing content, my dreams are coming true. I had to practice this video because I was in shock that I actually was seeing what I requested for, what I prayed for, what I've stayed for become my reality. Like I said, the facts of the facts is I teach you how to cook good and look good all low because I'm that aficionado, okay? But this ain't energy that is derived from just me. You know what I'm saying? I have chronic illnesses, plural, double seizure disorder, neurological disorders on the spectrum, chronic arthritis, need that double hip surgery, but you know, kick it to that. I have chemical imbalances, and that makes your girl real sleepy. And folk didn't know that I was struggling with actually being able to produce content, actually being able to upscale things how I wanted to go. And as I was realizing what I actually wanted to do and my approach, I think I got stuck because I was like getting like analysis paralysis. And I remember, you know, just kind of getting stuck in a rat race. I have probably just be making videos every like 3 months, really, honestly. And y'all, it almost makes me cry. Because I remember going to the bank and depositing some money, as you know, I did. And I just was tired, y'all. I was shaking. I was like, you ever be so tired? When you have a chronic illness, and you'll know what I'm talking about, but you be so tired, like imagine just being sleepy and waking up and having that feeling all day. Like you just that sleep waking up moment in that first part of your day. That's how I was, plus getting your butt whooped. So I was walking around like this because I was in pain, I was tired, and I went to the grocery store. I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do to get through. I need some type of energy. Shout Lord. And I went to the section of the store where there's like the naturals, and I was like, God, just don't have something that gives me that caffeine surge like coffee does or that other stuff does, because I'll mess around and be stuck. I don't want to have heart palpitation. I don't want to feel anxiety and feel like I'm about to go crazy. And I get to the section where I find the clean cause, sparkling clean cause, the carbonated version of the non-carbonated of this mint honey. I saw raspberry, and raspberry said, come here, take a can. I promise you, somebody pushed it out there just like this, right? And I was like, so I go up to the checkout because I looked at the ingredients and I was like, they checked out. So I got the can. I go outside of the store, probably make it like 5 feet out of the store, and I pop it, clock it, and I take my first sip just like that. I remember probably taking 3 gulps and realizing that I was gonna be able to start changing my life and not feeling like I was going through so much struggle and strife energetically, and feeling worn down and feeling like I wasn't gonna be able to just do minimal. I felt like I was able to turn myself up to the max without feeling sick and tired. You know what I'm saying? I can't prevent everything, but the things that I can cover, what people can create on this earth for people to love life and experience life in a way where, you know, it's natural. Cause they be trying to give me some stuff, what I got. Girl, they do. They do. So, just to be able to get this, I knew I was gonna be successful. So I told Clean Cause probably like maybe a year ago, because I think I've been drinking about 3 years, 2-3 years. I emailed them. I was like, this is such a great drink. I'm somebody who has a chronic illness. I'm a chef who has hours and hours of work day. I needed something like this to help me. Another side nodule, I was working someplace, I will leave it nameless because, you know, it was just fine dining. But y'all, they were doing so much stuff to have energy, and I just didn't know where I was gonna keep up in industry, like how they were performing, without something that was gonna help me perform. You know what I'm saying? And I can't drink coffee. Just cannot. I won't, because I'll be hostile. It also changes my attitude. I don't know why, but anyway. So I told them I really wrote down why I love clean cause, why I appreciate clean cause. Like, my dad, he works more hours than me. I got 5 jobs. This man, whew, Lord, I ain't gonna talk about it. He worked a lot. He just now slowed down so he can smell the roses, you know. So he drank clean cause. Actually, he asked for clean cause in my live on IG, I think the other day. And he was like, you got some clean cause? And I did. I put it on my backpack. I was like, backpack, bow. Clean cause, how you like me now? Type timing. It works wonders for people who are trying to push in that city life, who are trying to push in that industry, in their business, in their, you know, just showing up to be supportiveness. Y'all, I couldn't lie to you. So I told them I'm appreciative, and they sent me cases of clean cause because your girl was busting through them clean causes. I probably didn't, you know. If you know, you know. I got the shirt with it. But I was busting through clean cause. Between me and my friend, we probably have gone through a couple $1,000s of clean cause. It's worth it. Because you girl would be asleep right now. Anyways, all that's to say, I really never stopped using it. I can't use any alternatives because it doesn't equate. And anytime I am in need of a clean cause, I can find a clean cause. That's how good it is. I was like, I can make stuff with clean cause. So I made a lemon lime pound cake with their carbonated version. And then I also made a Tex-MEX drop soup with their same flavor of the carbonated version. I'm gonna just insert that video right here so y'all can kind of be like into it, what you should be doing through this springtime and summer to kind of make things not a bummer for you, is use those recipes so you don't have to put in that intensified cake work. You can just be able to put in that taste work, you feel me? And the same thing with the drop soup. If it's in its 60s, you can do the sippy sippies, you feel me? Now, I told them that I could do more recipes with any drink that they want to give me. I can showcase that the beverage has versatility. I can show you guys how to use this. And a lot of the girls my generation like that multi-use look. And before my generation, it was very hot to use what you have in your cabinets to be the pinnacle of, you know, that upscaling of the delicious dishes. You know what I'm saying? So you can insert anything. My mom's from the Midwest, but they're good at using a packet or a can and facilitating it to be delicious. You feel me? So I just put all that together and I gave my ideas and they was like, let's do it. So if you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and use my affiliate link down below and my coupon code Qudsiyah, which is my government name, Qudsiyah, okay? And that will allow you access on getting clean cause on the low. As you watch my recipes, you pick your favorite clean cause and you see how you can use the clean cause to your best access, just like me, Qudsiyah. So that's for you, because what I've been through and been able to do with this drink has changed my scope of business, and it allows me to do what I have been sent here to do, which just teach you how to cook it on the good, all on the low. So, as far as it goes, go ahead and lock in, my friends. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's no scandal. It's your girl Queen Jones. Stay tuned for what I got. Recipes in the box. Literally. I got another one underneath the table. God is good as God is great. Thank you for the food that's all on our plates. Come on, y'all. Come on.